Task 1 contains 4 different steps and they are Introduction, Overview, Body 1 and Body 2. Here is a general technique to write a great introduction. First, write what your graph shows. Second, indicate a time period. And third, list countries or other names that appear in your question card. Remember to keep your introduction short, just 1 or 2 sentences. This technique works for all IELTS writing task 1 question. Now, introduction for bar chart question. Let's see one bar chart and technique for writing introduction of bar chart. Here I have taken one bar chart. Now let's read the question. The bar chart shows the divorce rate in 2 European countries from 2011 to 2015. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. It is the question and we have to give introduction according to it. Ideal introduction formula: what your graph shows plus for what period of time. In our example, the introduction looks like this. I have written introduction looking at the question and the introduction looks like this. The introduction is: the bar chart provides information about the percentage of divorces in Finland and Sweden between 2011 and 2015. It is our introduction which I have written looking at the question. Now look what words I used to avoid repetition. In place of shows, I wrote provides information about. In place of divorce rates, I wrote percentage of divorces. In place of 2 European countries, I wrote Finland and Sweden. And in place of from 2011 to 2015, I wrote between 2011 and 2015. In this way, we can use other words to avoid repetition. And before we jump to the next example, I want to equip you with more paraphrasing vocabulary. Paraphrasing vocabulary. If there is chart, then we use the chart. If there is table, then we use the table. If there is diagram, we use diagram. And if there is graph, we use the graph. And we can use any one of them. Here, let's talk about one number. Gives information about. We can use the graph, chart, table or diagram. Gives information about or provides information about. We can also write shows or illustrates, represents, depicts, compares, exemplifies, explains and defines. Among these 10, we can write any one to our introduction. Now let's look for more paraphrasing vocabulary. You can rewrite a phrase by using the word how. First, shows the number of people equals to shows how many people. Depicts changes in equals to depicts how much change is spending on. You can rewrite a phrase by using synonyms. One number. Number of also means quantity of. Spending also means expenditure. Rate also means percentage. Ratio equals to proportion. Information equals to data. Change equals to increase or decrease or variation. Share equals to portion. Place equals to site. These synonyms are very useful. It often comes in IELTS exam. Let's look at how we can apply paraphrasing to time periods. 3 common ways to list a time period plus paraphrase. One number. From 2008 to 2009 equals to between 2008 and 2009. In place of in 2008, we can write in the year 2008. And 3 number. In 2008 and 2009 also mean in 2008 and 2009 respectively, or in the year 2008 and 2009 Now you know all the tricks to write introduction of task 1. Let's practice another one example to become more clear. IELTS pie chart question. Let's read the question. The two pie charts below shows the percentage of industry sector's contribution to the economy of Turkey in 2000 and 2016. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. Here we have given one pie chart and we have to write introduction according to the question. Now let's write introduction looking at the question and using our tricks. The introduction is the two pie chart illustrates how different industry sectors contributed to the economy of Turkey percentage wise in the year 2000 and 2016. Here I just took the information from question card and paraphrased in given way. One number in place of so I wrote illustrates. 2 number in place of the percentage of industry sectors contribution to the economy of Turkey. I wrote how different industry sectors contributed to the economy of Turkey percentage wise. And 3 number in place of in 2000 and 2016 I wrote in the years 2000 and 2016. Other videos will be uploaded soon and thank you very much for watching.